Hi children, today I begin your second online class. In first class we have entered in 5-digit number series. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. And which is the greatest 5-digit number? 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Okay, all of you understood that much? Now we have some numbers here. All are 5-digit numbers. Can you write their number names? How do we write its number name? Here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000s. In 10,000s place 1 and thousands place 0. We should read the thousands and 10,000s place together. So, the number name of this is 10,001. 10,001. Second one, in 10,000s place 2 and in thousands place 0. So, we should read together tens and 10,000s and thousands place. So, 20,052. The number name of this is 20,052. 20,052. Third one, in 10,000s place 3 and thousands place 0. So, 30,748. 30,700. $48. Last one, 65,000. 65,000. 900. 37. All of you clear this much? Take your notebook and write all these in your notebook. Next we are going to discuss the representation of numbers on abacus. In our smaller classes we already learned that. Here one example, 20,052. How do we represent this number on abacus? In units place or ones place here 2. So we have to put 2 beads in ones place. Then in tens place 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next place is hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 0. So no need to put any beads here in hundreds place. And thousands place also 0. So no need to put any beads in thousands place also. Next is 10,000s place. Here in 10,000s place 2. So we have to put 2 beads here. Consider next example. 69,748. How do we represent this number on abacus? In units place or ones place here 8. So we have to put 8 beads here in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In tens place here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In hundreds place here 7. So we have to put 7 beads here in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then in thousands place 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In 10,000s place 6. Understood all of you? There is an activity in textbook page number 83. Quick check. All of you do that activity in your textbook. All of you take notebook and write this question in your notebook. Write the predecessor of 20,590 and its number name. Here, predecessor and successor we already learned in our first online class. Successor means just after the number and predecessor means just before. Here, which is the predecessor of 20,590 or which number will come before 20,590? It is very clear. It is 20,000. 20,589 is the predecessor. What is its number name? Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. So we should read this 10,000s and thousands placed together. So 20,000, 20,000, 500, 89. Is the number name. Clear all of you? Right, next question number 2. Fill in the missing numbers. A 32,590, 32,600, 32,610. This is a number pattern counting by tens. 32,590 plus 10, 32,600. 32,600 plus 10, 32,610. So, next number is 32,620. Next is 32,630. Next is 32,640. Clear? B. Next. B. 57,428. 58,428. 59,428. Here is this number pattern is counting by thousands. Here 57,000, 58,000, 59,000. Next is 60,000. Next is 60,428. Next 61,428. Next 62,428. Clear? Next is exercise 1.1. Write the number names. First question. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So this number name is 71,480. 71,480. B 32,504. 32,504. Next is 89,123. 89,000 123. Last one 60,000 512. All of you clear this much? Then E and F are at home question. That questions you have to practice yourself. Second question, write the numerals. A 32,361. How do we write its numeral? 32,000. Then 361. Clear? B 90,445. 90,445. Next is 77,023. 77,023. There is no number in hundreds place. Then what we should do? We should put one zero in hundreds place. Then 23. Clear? Next is 65,009. 65,000. Then next place is 100, but there is no number in hundreds place. We should put one zero in hundreds place. Then next is tens place. In tens place also 0. Then next is 9. So this number 65,009. We can write like this. Dear children, next is question number 3. That is fill in the table. You have to fill the successor and predecessor of a number in it. That is very easy question. You have to fill yourself. Okay. Let us move to next question. That is fourth. Complete the number sequences. First one. 84,895, 84,896. These all are counting by ones. 84,897, 84,898. Next is 84,899. Next is 84,900. Clear? B. 49,996, 49,997, 49,998, 49,999. Next is 50,000. Next is 50,000. 50,000. Next is 50,001. 50,001. Clear? C. 25,120, 25,130, 25,140, 25,150. Next is, these all are counting by tens. So next is 25,160, 25,170. Last one, 37,200, 37,300, 37,400, counting by hundreds. 37,500, 37,600, 37,700. Clear all of you?